Jesus Christ!
Hello, Campbell. I went to play a game. You flushed your own life down the toilet with your addiction to drugs. The sins of the father pass on to the son, who is also a drug addict. You no longer know if he is alive or dead. I can show you the truth. Find the key to free yourself, or the last thing you will see is the mask as it snaps shut on your skull. Let the game begin.